This is my first interview on Shormila Show House, and I'm very happy that Shormila started her own YouTube channel. Congratulations and all the best.
Hey guys, this is Shormila Maiti from Shormila Show House, and please subscribe my channel. Click the bell button for more updates.
Because I like numbers.
What would be your dream roles?
ইচ্ছে আছে বাংলা ছবি করার, কিন্তু
এইখানে তোমার নিজস্ব ইনপুট কি কি আছে?
It's almost like she was not one person.
বিদ্যা, once again তোমাকে একটা এমন চরিত্রে আমরা আবার দেখতে পাবো। আমার একটা জিনিসই মনে হয়েছে বারবার, যে সবসময় যে যাই অভিনয় করুক না কেন, তোমার জন্য সবসময় পাওয়ারফুল চরিত্রগুলো থাকে, এবং যখনই কোথাও পাওয়ার দরকার হয় তুমি সেই এনার্জিটা সার্ভ করো। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সিক্রেট?
আমি জানি না, কিন্তু আমি কমপ্লেন করছি না। I'm very happy with the wide variety of roles that I get to play. The strong women that I get to portray on screen, because I think all around us we see women who are trying to live life on their own terms, who are living their dreams, who are going through struggles and then emerging triumphant, and are just keeping up this almost this fight at every stage of their lives. And I'm just glad I'm able to represent them on screen, especially someone like Shakuntala Devi, who 50 years ago led the life she wanted to.
Empowering woman is, do you think this word is somewhat derogatory for the women who are already, who is actually powerhouse of talent or motion, or in itself women are...
No, I don't think it's derogatory, because all of us are powerful, but not all of us realize we are powerful. So empowering just means making women realize the power within themselves. So I don't think it's derogatory.
Okay. And about Shakuntala Devi, how strong are you in mathematics?
I was actually decent in mathematics and I like numbers. So this film was easier for me because I like numbers.
So তোমার কাছে যখন চরিত্রটা এসেছে, যখন তুমি বুঝতে পারলে যে এটা তোমার জন্য পারফেক্ট, তার আগে অবধি এই স্ক্রিপ্টটা আসা এবং নিজেকে ওই চরিত্রটার জন্য পারফেক্ট ভাবা, তার মধ্যে তুমি কি কি রিয়েলাইজ করেছিলে যে শকুন্তলা দেবীর অবশ্যই তার জীবনটা পড়া দরকার, তাকে বোঝা দরকার, বোঝা নিজের মতো করে তুমি যে অ্যাক্টিং এর ভেতরে ঢুকবে, সেই চরিত্রটার ভেতরে তুমি নিজেকে ঢোকাবে, সেইটার জন্য কি কি তুমি ভেবেছিলে আসলে সেই সময়টা?
First I thought, oh wow, I'm getting to play Shakuntala Devi, the human computer, jake bole, and just someone who's a mathematical genius and whose name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. I knew only that much about her, but as I started discovering different facets of her, I realized that, there was so much more to her than just being a mathematical wizard. So I had to really, of course, study her videos to get a sense of her mannerisms, of her style, because her math shows were more like magic shows. She was very quick with numbers. She used humor, and her shows were very interactive. But also to realize that there were so many different layers of her. There was it's almost like she was not one person. She was many people in one. While I think all of us are many people in one, or rather there are different, I think I realized that, wow, I cannot approach it like any role, because here you have a certain perception of someone who likes maths, or a maths teacher, or a mathematical genius, someone who's more serious, maybe who's a little reserved, slightly boring also. But she was nothing like that. And then for someone who didn't go to school, she wrote so many books. She was known as a human computer the world over, and she wrote books on every possible imaginable subject. First book on homosexuality in India, World of Homosexuals. Cookery book for men, crime thriller, books on astrology, books on maths. And she loved to dress up. Again, these are not things you associate with a genius. You know, you think of Einstein and you think of messy hair and you think that they are not interested in being well turned out and all that. But she defies all those myths. So everything that I got to know about her was like peeling the onion layer. You know, there was something new. So I had to, there were lots of tapes that Anu Menon shared with me of conversations she had with Shakuntala Devi's daughter Anupama Banerjee and her husband Ajay. So जब वो सब सुना मैंने कि अच्छा वो कैसे रिएक्ट करती थी अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में, उनको क्या पसंद था क्या नहीं पसंद था, वो कैसे उनमें एक बचपना था आखिर तक, कैसे आखिर तक वो अपने बालों को काला कलर करती थी, यू नो, उनको ब्राइट लिपस्टिक पसंद थे. तो एक एक चीज जब समझ में आने लगा तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं ये ये मेरा अप्रोच बहुत ही डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. I've never played such a complicated complex character. Because वो एक मतलब she was not, it's not like playing a straightforward character. There's so much to her. तो ये सब जानना था, फिर वो imbibe करना था before I could play her.
খুব সুন্দর করে তুমি বললে, সত্যি সুন্দর করে। আমার এখান থেকেই আমার একটা প্রশ্ন মনে আসছে যে তুমি যখনই কোনো চরিত্র প্লে করো, তুমি বোধহয় চরিত্রটার ঘর এবং বাইরে, হোম অ্যান্ড দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, একটা চরিত্রের সেটা খুব ভালো করে দেখো। কুমারী সুলুই হোক বা তারপরে তুমি মিশন বাঙ্গালেও আমি দেখেছিলাম যে একটা মেয়ে ঘরে কিরকম হবে আর বাইরে কিরকম হবে। স্ক্রিপ্টটা তো স্ক্রিপ্ট, ঠিক আছে, স্ক্রিপ্ট তোমাকে পড়তেই হবে, সেই রকম ডায়লগ গুলো সেরকম ভাবেই বলতে হবে, কিন্তু তার মধ্যেও যে একটা লাইফ দিতে হবে সেটা তুমি খুব ভালো করে পারো। এইখানে তোমার নিজস্ব ইনপুট কি কি আছে? এখানে কিন্তু কিছুটা গ্ল্যাম ফ্যাক্টরও আছে। আমি জানি না শকুন্তলা দেবী ইউজুয়ালি যে উনি নিজে যেরকম মানুষ ছিলেন,
she was very glamorous, very glamorous. She liked to wear things that were in trend. You know, अपना hair style उन्होंने बार-बार change किया जिंदगी में. So what happened is, because I was playing her from the 20s into her 60s, it gave me the chance to grade her physical appearance according to the different stages in her life by changing the hairstyle and the way she dressed. These are tools that actors have, no? So it was great joy. But this balance that you're talking about, the outer and inner world, or rather the professional and the personal, that women always try to find a balance between. I think this is a story of our lives. You know, we are all trying to strike that balance. But Shakuntala Devi was someone who said, why should I strike that balance? You know, I can do it both. And I can do both equally well. She didn't feel the need to compromise one for the other. In striking that balance, often women have to compromise one for the other. But she didn't feel the need to do that. She said, you know, this is my gift. I want to share it with the world. She loved being on stage. She loved the attention it brought her. She traveled the world, charmed dignitaries everywhere. She had them eating out of her palms. So she enjoyed all that. But she enjoyed being a mother. She loved being a mother. And she was like, why there is a different set of rules for men and women? If a man can have a flourishing career and be a father, why can't I do the same? But you know, that's where you see that society is more accepting when men do that than when women do that.
Yes.
Because even her own daughter tells her, no? She says, why can't you be normal? Why can't you be like a normal mother? And she says, that amazing ho sakti hu, to normal kyun banu? Jitna, jaise we don't expect that the man be there, the father be there all the time, na? But that's because of women. The woman in his life is supporting him so that he's able to, you know, pursue a career, pursue a dream. And maybe compensate for the lack of his presence sometimes. But the same does not happen with the woman. Rarely do you find that the man is supporting the woman in a way that the woman would support the man. You agree?
Completely, completely. And even after so many years, we are still in the same system, and we are still striving to break it and create something. বিদ্যা, আমার দর্শকের কিছু প্রশ্ন তোমার কাছে রেখেছে। একজন প্রশ্ন করেছে যে what is your favorite color and what was your favorite subject in your childhood?
My favorite subject was
প্রশ্ন করেছে।
হ্যাঁ,
মধুমিতা দত্ত প্রশ্ন করেছে।
মধুমিতা, আমার ফেভারিট সাবজেক্ট ছিল ম্যাথস আর ইংলিশ এন্ড হিন্দি। আর আমার ফেভারিট কালার রেড, অরেঞ্জ।
আচ্ছা, আরেকটা প্রশ্ন, যিশু সেনগুপ্তকে তোমার কেমন লাগে? কারণ যিশু ওর ফেভারিট অ্যাক্টর।
Oh, I love Jishu. এত ভালো মানুষ, এত বড় স্টার, কিন্তু ওর মধ্যে একটা সিম্পলিসিটি আছে এখনো, which is a big thing. है ना? Because he's such a big star, but he's so easy to work with. We both would talk to each other in Bengali, और सेट पे शिलादीप तो था हमारा फर्स्ट एडी, उसके अलावा और जीशु और मेरे अलावा कोई बंगाली नहीं जानता था। तो एवरीवन यूज्ड टू से क्या 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 बोल रहे हैं, और हम लोग हंसते थे, जो एक दूसरे के बीच में बहुत बातें होती थी। But I enjoyed working with him. He's a really lovely person and of course a wonderful actor.
তোমার সঙ্গে যিশুর একটা সুন্দর কনভারসেশন দেখেছিলাম ইনস্টাগ্রামে। আচ্ছা, আশার আলো বলে একটি মেয়ে প্রশ্ন করেছে যে ডার্টি পিকচার না লাগে রাখো মুন্না ভাই, কোনটা তোমার কাছে প্রিয় এখনো অবধি?
I think dirty picture because dirty picture में करने के लिए बहुत कुछ था, मुन्ना भाई में उतना नहीं था। But I enjoyed Munna Bhai, but I think Dirty Picture was also the time when I was, it was just such a different role, and that film has given me so much.
আচ্ছা, রোশনি নন্দী প্রশ্ন করেছে যে what is your favorite book?
My favorite book, Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist.
Okay.
Your son is around you. Hi.
Hi, bolo. You are Mission Mangal auntie to. This is a nice question. Let's say you deserve one more national award for this film. Another person from Bangladesh.
How sweet! Thank you for saying that. Just you're saying that is an award in itself. But please watch the film on 31st July on Amazon Prime Video.
বিদ্যা, দেবযানী সেনগুপ্ত প্রশ্ন করেছে যে ফিল্ম ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে মেয়েদের কতটা কষ্ট করতে হয়?
In my experience, जितना स्ट्रगल हम लड़कियों को हर जगह करना पड़ता है, उतना ही फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी है। पर ऑफ कोर्स मैंने कास्टिंग काउच वगैरह के बारे में सुना है, मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया। आई नो, मैंने काफी लोगों से सुना है कि ये एक सच्चाई है, और पर मुझे लगता है कि अब ये शायद माहौल बदल गया होगा पोस्ट मी टू एंड ऑल दैट। एंड बिसाइड्स दैट, it's just the way we are all trying to negotiate our space in the world. It's the same thing in the film industry.
Congratulations for your upcoming film. What's the secret of your glamour?
Thank you so much. Very rarely do people call me glamorous, so thank you for that. That's a lovely compliment. मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है मैं वही पहनती हूँ, and I don't actually care about fashion. So maybe if there is a secret, it's that.
You look lovely in your black saree with golden border.
Thank you.
Who has designed it? Designed this one?
This is actually directly from a weaver. It's
Okay.
not, yeah.
Vidya, now this film is releasing on OTT platform. Your first film to be which is getting a direct release on OTT platform. So situations are changing, and now when a film gets its release in OTT platform, I mean, there are millions of viewers within a day. Do you think this is a welcome situation for the viewers? And
Oh,
how is
absolutely. For the viewers, it's definitely a welcome situation because most people are at home and you can watch this film with your family on Amazon Prime Video. So it's great, and Amazon Prime Video is in 200 countries, so it's great for us also. And just the fact that we're able to share such a happy, entertaining film with everyone at this time, especially.
true, true. But how do you see film, the future of film from here? Uh, it's a situation that we never expected, and it's like after 100 years, it is coming back to the humankind. So, do you think it is going to be there for a longer time than we expect? And what would be the future of cinema from now?
I don't know really how long this will last. So until this situation persists, we may not be able to go to the theaters. Even if we do, they may allow only fewer people in for every show. So that will impact our theatrical viewing experience for a while. But once we are on the other side of COVID, things will resume, and go back to the old way where theaters were full of people and we'd be enjoying films together. That will definitely happen. But I feel both OTT platforms and the theater will continue to survive and thrive.
Okay. And I'm coming to the very last part of my interview. Vidya, what would be your dream roles from
No,
now?
I don't have a dream role.
Many kind of roles, and some roles are designed for you. I mean, tailor made for you. So,
I don't have any dream role. I just hope that writers and directors, um, dream of me when they're writing their best work or they're writing exciting roles and interesting scripts. That's all.
okay. What is going to be written in your autobiography, and what would be the name of your autobiography?
I don't know. बहुत वक्त है उसके लिए, कभी सोचा नहीं है. If at all I write an autobiography.
Okay, so this lockdown has given you so much of time to spend with your near ones, and do you think this is a bliss? And I mean,
Of
all
course.
these. And what was your realization in solitude, which lockdown
I
has
got to
offered?
spend a lot of time with Siddharth because it was only him and me at home. It was wonderful. It was wonderful to be sharing household tasks together. It's not something we had ever imagined. But I think what I realize more than ever now is that, I am very blessed. I've only been counting my blessings. I feel like there's so much to be grateful for that I don't feel the need to complain about anything anymore.
আবার বাংলা ছবিতে আসার ইচ্ছে আছে? অনেকে প্রশ্ন করেছে, প্রায় 46টা প্রশ্ন আছে যে তুমি বাংলা ছবি কবে করবে?
জানি না, আমারও ইচ্ছে আছে বাংলা ছবি করার, কিন্তু কবে করব জানি না।